Hey cooks, welcome back. Special edition. I'm cooking again. It's your guy Ken. Here we go. We got a birthday, cooks. 2 years old, cooks. Second year. Let's do a little review, a short review for people who may be interested in it, or people who already have it and want to see how well it may perform. Let me tell you something, cooks. Now, this is not a paid endorsement. You don't see it? Paid? No. Walmart has not given me a dime. If you are in contact with them and their marketing team, tell them to reach out to me and hook your boy up, okay? Anyway, Expert Pellet Grill, I'm gonna tell you like this. It performed well, okay, cooks? First year we had a little fire. That was kind of my fault. A little fire, but it withstood it. Repainted it, refinished it. You can check that video out. This year, only hiccup we've had is that at one time it wouldn't go past 250 degrees. What's wrong with it? It wouldn't go past 250. What I did, this is a fix. If this happens to you, this is all you have to do. Now, it still works fine. Unplug it. I unplugged it for 30 minutes. Reset the computer. Basically, that's all you're gonna do. Like a hard reset. Reset the computer. After that, everything was fine. Okay, cooks? Still operates well, still cooking well. Everything's going well. This thing is pretty durable, cooks. I mean, for the price point, some people got it very expensive, $99 here. I didn't get it like that. I got it for $2.99, but still, for 2 years, I've been cooking on this thing. It's been outside. I should put the cover on, but I haven't. And it's a little bit up, but it's outside. On the patio, wind, rain, pollen, everything is on it. But it's performed well, still performing well. Just want to give you guys an update, 2-year review. Everything is still running as normal. Now remember, subscribe to this channel, like this video, hit that notification bell, whatever that means. But stay with your guy. It's a birthday. I'm cooking again.